This is a voiceless consonant. It's pronounced f. Now, did you notice that I make the sound by sticking my tongue out just a little bit f, and blowing air between my tongue and my top teeth? F. Now you try. Watch and listen. F. Again. F. You can hear the sound f at the beginning of the words thin, throw and thumb, in the middle of the words author and healthy, and at the end of the words birth and path. Now you try. Listen and repeat after me. Thin, throw, thumb, author, healthy, birth, path. Good.
A. 2A.
Mouse, mouth. Sum, thumb. Sick, thick. Sink, think. Pass, path.
Two B.
Mouse, mouth, mouse, mouth, mouse.
Sum, thumb, thumb, sum.
Sick, thick, 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 sick.
Think, sink, think, sink.
Path, 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 pass, pass.
Two C.
What a sweet little mouse. What a sweet little mouth. Is this sum okay? Is this thumb okay? It's very sick. It's very thick. He's sinking. He's thinking. There's a mountain pass. There's a mountain path.
2D.
He's thinking.
Is this sum okay?
It's very thick.
There's a mountain pass.
What a sweet little mouse.
Three B. Gossips.
Samantha Roth is only 30.
Is she? I thought she was 33.
Samantha's birthday was last Thursday.
Was it? I thought it was last month.
The Roth's house is worth 600,000.
Is it? I thought it was worth 300,000.
Ross Roth is the author of a book about moths.
Is he? I thought he was a mathematician.
I'm so thirsty.
Are you? I thought you drank something at the Roths.
No, Samantha gave me nothing to drink.
Shall I buy you a drink?
Thank you.